Shopbot. You have to excuse the mess. It's filthy in here. My next task is to get this place cleaned up. So I'm using this laser level, a Huepar. I guess I'm not sure on the model number. I'll have to find that out. But what I'm doing is using this 7-foot laser or level, I guess, or 78-inch. Yeah, so I'm got the level set to where it's sitting right in that triangle, the corner of that triangle, right like, let's see, right like that. Okay. It's got that spanned across the 2 rails on the Shopbot. Now, what I've done, this floor is not very level. I'm gonna have to move that laser in order to get both sides of the Shopbot. So I've put pieces of tape along the wall where that laser hits right here. There, they're marked with a pencil. See there? Several different places around the shop. Right there. Right there. Looks like I've got 1. Over there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different places where I can set this laser up. When I need to move it over here to this side, I'll just line it back up on those marks, and that should be the same height, so I can check this side. I'm gonna have to put another set of marks. I plan on putting that laser or the level up here and driving that gantry back and forth in order to get everything good and level. And then I'm going to start squaring everything up. So this is the first step. So we'll see how it plays out. All right, I've got the level on the gantry. Got that set up where it's centered back on the triangle, both ends. Okay. Now, because I had to move the laser up, marks are way off. So I'm going to take some more tape and put along the wall different places in order to be able to set back up again on it. So I like that little laser. Nice. Nice and bright. Turn the lights off so you can see it. How cool is that? Shoots out 3 different lasers, I guess. There's the top. That marks that spot, and then the tripod is blocking part of it. You'd have an X on the floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this tape on the wall, and I'll turn the camera off in order to do that. I'll catch up to you in a minute. So I'll move the level down a little bit, about as far as I can go with this setup. I'm going to move this laser over to the side so I can get the other end of it. In order to do that, you have to lock it right there to keep that self-leveler from getting damaged. I'll take it right over here. Set it back up. I'm not sure, I might have to play around with it a little bit in order to get it to work right now. If I unlock it, it should be level. Okay, now if we look, these lines, it's off quite a bit. Probably an inch, maybe. Looks like it's about the same everywhere. So, what I'm gonna do here, and you can see it probably, if I take this level, put it right there, yeah, see, same thing, it's showing pretty high. So I'm going to take this, just drop that down. Let me get an eye on that over there. Bring it down towards on that line. That looks pretty close. Let me tighten that up and we'll go over there and look. Now, it's a touch high still. Let me come down with it again. This is really pretty simple to adjust. Well, let's walk back over here. That's pretty close enough. Okay, now that looks good again. Right there, see, there's the triangle right in the corner. Look at the other side. That's a little low for some reason. It's a little low over here. It's showing pretty good right there. Okay, I've got the laser level moved, and it's a little bit high. It's the hair, but if you look at the other lines, you can't see many, but this one over here. It's just a little bit. It's pretty close on that one. And it's probably you think of the width of the pencil mark? High? Width of the laser high? Maybe? So, with these being closer, it may be better to line up perfectly on them. And I think that right there will work. And then looking at the level, let's see if I can get it turned down here to where it's gonna. Doesn't look really bad. Close. Needs to come up just a touch. Well, it's not going to hit that one, so I'll pull this back a little bit, see if that helps anything. Oh, the computer's in the way. Now, let's see what that did. It needs to come up just a little bit also, so let me get my wrench here. And come up just a, I don't know, what, an eighth maybe, or less. I have to do this, hold this by hand because I don't have a tripod. How does that look? That probably looks pretty good over here. Now, let's go over here. Come up about the same amount. Looks pretty good, I do believe. This thing's pretty dirty. Get my glasses on. It might be just a hair high. I know this is not the most accurate way to do this, but if those slots are centered, and I don't think they are. I don't know why they wouldn't be, but it looks too high according to the slots, but from the looks of that triangle cut out there, looks pretty centered. I'm gonna go with that for now. Okay, so I got this little block here I made for something sometime back. But it's working out pretty good to use to level these rails. So it's got a like that. So if you just stick that on the rail, flush it out and or bottom it out. See that line? It's just barely above the pencil line. So I'm gonna go around and make sure that that's hitting it the same everywhere. Looks pretty good to me. Go over to the other side. Doesn't look very bad. To the other end. This is another way you can do it with the level or the block. Whichever one's handiest. I might have to end up shimming some. See the shims right there. It's dirty, dusty. There's another shim.